Today I'm going to show you how to find your Amazon account number. While Amazon doesn't display a traditional account number like you'd see with a bank, there are specific identifiers tied to your account that you might need for various purposes. Let's walk through how to locate them. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon profile. On the account page, look for the section labeled Login and Security and click on it. This is where Amazon stores your most important account credentials and security settings. When you click this, Amazon may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. If prompted, enter your current password in the field provided, then click Continue. This extra layer of protection ensures that only you can access sensitive account information. Now, here's where things get a bit different from what you might expect. Your Amazon account number isn't something Amazon prominently displays like a traditional bank account number would be. Instead, Amazon uses different identifiers depending on what you need the information for. The most common identifier is simply the email address or mobile number associated with your account. This serves as your primary account identifier across all Amazon services. You'll see these details listed in the Login and Security section. Your email address is typically what you use to log in and what Amazon uses to communicate with you about orders and account updates. If you've added a mobile number to your account, that can also serve as an identifier, especially for two-factor authentication and account recovery purposes. If you're looking for this information because a seller or customer service representative asked for your account number, your email address is usually what they need. In some cases, particularly for business accounts or seller accounts, there might be additional identifiers, but for standard customer accounts, your email address is your account number. And that's it. You've now located your Amazon account identifiers. Remember, your email address is the key piece of information that ties everything together on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.